à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further... Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions de... Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast year 2, the first Wednesday of each month. Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois sur Radio Canada. Ce message est destination des récepteurs radio-vidéo.
A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Kings County. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Nova Scotia at 3:49 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Thursday, July 30th, 2020. A heat warning is continued for Kings County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Annapolis County. A heat warning is continued for Annapolis County. A heat warning is continued for Queens County. A heat warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A heat warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nova Scotia at 5:56 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Thursday, July 30th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Hants County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Hants County. A heat warning is continued for Hants County. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A heat warning is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Cumberland County, Minas Shore. A heat warning is continued for Cumberland County, Minas Shore.